Okay, we're going to talk about hating people. Do you hate anybody? Is there someone you hate? Some member of a political party you hate? Some owner of a corporation, a CEO that you hate? Is there somebody you hate? We need to talk about it because this is not Krishna consciousness. Srila Bhaktisiddhanta, Saraswati Thakur said, we should desire the greatest good for our worst enemies. If you study Krishna consciousness, you see that Krishna consciousness means that I want to do good to others, even those who want to harm me, even those who don't like me. I still want to be their well-wisher. That is my position. That ultimately a devotee has no ill feelings. As Shastra says, Yudhishthira had no enemies. That means there's no enmity within his heart. And so we do not want to carry the people we hate to our grave. We do not want to carry the people we hate within our heart. That is not Krishna consciousness. And an interesting visual is that Krishna is sitting in the lotus of our heart, but oftentimes we of course, we don't realize we're doing this consciously, but it's like we're saying, Krishna, move over because I have to bring in somebody that I hate to replace you. This is the person I need to think about right now. This is the person I need to punish, and I need to bring him center stage in my heart so I can focus on him and I can put all my negative energy on him. Now, of course, consciously, you wouldn't take a deity off your altar and put some picture of somebody you don't like and start throwing darts at that picture. But essentially, that's what hatred is. It's taking Krishna out of our heart, the altar in our heart, taking that other person, putting that person in our heart, and throwing darts at it. Now, these are conditioned behaviors. We know that. But I'm just trying to put it in perspective so you can understand that in order to be Krishna conscious, we don't have time. We have to think, we don't have time and we don't have energy for this kind of thing. This is what we were supposed to have left before we become devotees. Now we know the way the world works. People upset us. We become angry. We become resentful. Well, but at least we should be conscious that when these emotions are there, they need to be purified and they need to be replaced so that we can allow Krishna to sit in our heart. And well, how will Krishna sit in our heart? Well, Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, compassion for all living entities. This is the basis of Vaishnavism. This is the basis of the heart of a Vaishnava. So there's really no place for hatred. So this is something we need to work on. We need to look at why would I even hate somebody? What am I trying to get back at them for? And how is that entangling me within these lower modes of nature that are pulling me aggressively against people? These are all things that we need to think about, and how that is ultimately disturbing my ability to chant the holy name purely, which if that is disturbed, then everything is lost. So these are important things to contemplate. Hare Krishna.